My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Honda Civic Type R. This vehicle has done just over 19,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic headlights, automatic wipers and a keyless ignition. On our home screen we can access navigation, smartphone integration, Bluetooth and audio, as well as our Honda App Centre. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. When we press this button here, we can access our climate control. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.